Students, welcome in social study class. Today we will start chapter air. This is chapter 4 of your geography book. And as you know, first we have to see a partition of the earth. Earth has four parts: hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Hydrosphere, this is the water bodies of earth like lakes, rivers, oceans, and there are snow and Arctic Ocean. This type of area is known as the hydrosphere, and lithosphere, which part of the solid part of the earth is known as the lithosphere. Atmosphere, which is the air air part of the earth is known as the atmosphere, and biosphere, where these three things are combined and on that place create a life begin. This is known as the biosphere. And as you know, here we talking about the atmosphere because this is the main part of the air. Atmosphere is a combination of different type of air like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, and there are so many gases. This is around the earth. Atmosphere is the blanket, thin blanket of the air around the earth, and it protects from the harmful rays which are come from the sun, and it consists of the many gases like nitrogen. This nitrogen is a 78%, and oxygen is 21%, and other part like carbon dioxide, helium, and ozone layer, argon, and hydrogen, these are the lesser quantity. Okay, and atmosphere have there are different part like this is a blanket of the earth, a blanket of the air which is around the earth, and this is the earth, and first layer of the air is known as the atmosphere, is known as the troposphere. This is the very thin layer, and this is very thin layer, and which is air are the breeze exist. Almost the weather and phenomena occur in this type of sphere. And next is a troposphere where airplane flies, and a troposphere and a troposphere 18 kilometer. And next part is stratosphere where airplane fly, and ozone layer which protect us, ozone layer which protect us. This is very thin layer protect us harmful rays come from the sun. And next is stratosphere contain the layer of the ozone gases and ideal for the flying airplane. And next is the mesosphere extend up to the height of 18 kilometer, and a mesosphere turn up into his layer and enter from the space. And next is thermosphere, this is the thermosphere, also other name is known as the ionosphere. And last one is exosphere, and exosphere is the uppermost layer of the air. This is very thin layer of the air. And now we will here explain about the weather and climate. This is the condition of the air. Weather is that condition of the climate, this change hour to hour and place to place. This is known as the weather. And climate, this is the average weather condition for long period, for a long place. And this other name we can say is the climate known as the season. And weather, this is the summer season going on, and when a clouds came and rain had, and it will be changed for few time. That's why weather is the hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere, and climate is the average weather condition of place from for a longer period of a time. Okay, and next is temperature. This is the temperature is remain in atmosphere and change it time to time. The degree and hotness and coldness. This is the degree of hotness and coldness of the air, known as the temperature. And insulation is an important factor of that influence the distribution of the temperature, and the amount of the insulation decrease from the equator toward the poles, and therefore the temperature decrease in the same way. Degrees Celsius is the standard unit. This is the standard unit to measure the temperature. And now next is air pressure. This is known as the weight of the air. Air pressure is the pressure exerted by the weight of the air on the earth's surface. As we go up the layer of the atmosphere, the pressure falls rapidly and it is highest at the sea level and decrease with the height. Low pressure is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. High pressure is associated with the clear and sunny skies. The air always moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. Next, wind. What is wind? Flowing air is known as the wind. Air, this atmosphere is also air, and now this is other name of air, wind. What is wind? When air is flowing, known as the wind, and it is the movement of the air high pressure to low pressure, known as the wind. It contains the broadly divided into three categories, like permanent wind, trade wind, westerlies wind, easterlies. This type of wind are known as the permanently wind, and seasonal wind like monsoon wind, and next local wind, like land and sea breezes. Okay, and now next, what is the moisture? Sorry, global warming. When global warming, when the temperature, when the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere increase due to the increase of carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide gas is also known as the green gas. Carbon dioxide gas hold the temperature of the earth, like hold the insulation. No, that's why this is create the global warming. And next is moisture. What is the meaning of moisture? Moisture is the water vapor present in the atmosphere, and same moisture and humidity. Humidity is the moisture in the air. Moisture in the air. This is known as the humidity. And what is now question is here? What is atmosphere? Atmosphere.
Stop हो जाता है.